Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple gallbladder polyps. Incidentally, this patient also has a large stone in the ureter. You can see the multiple gallbladder polyps seen along the interior and posterior walls of the gallbladder. Gallbladder polyps are elevations of the gallbladder wall that project into the lumen. They are commonly detected on ultrasound scans of the abdomen with a prevalence estimated between 0.3 and 9.5%. They may also be found following analysis of the gallbladder specimen following cholecystectomy. Now you can see the multiple gallbladder polyps, mostly seen on the posterior walls, along the posterior walls, but some are seen along the interior wall. Gallbladder polyp size is often an indication of the presence of cancer. Small gallbladder polyps less than half inch in diameter are typically benign and in most cases do not need to be treated. Gallbladder polyps larger than half inch in diameter have a greater likelihood of becoming malignant. A gallbladder polyp is a growth that bulges from the surface of the inner gallbladder wall. Some polyps are formed by cholesterol deposits in the gallbladder wall. Others may be small tumors, either cancer or not cancer, or may be caused by inflammation. Now, the symptoms of the gallbladder polyps are occasional pain in the right part of the upper abdomen, that is hypochondrium, nausea, and vomiting. Gallbladder polyps are growths that protrudes from the lining of the inside of the gallbladder. Polyps can be cancerous, but rarely. About 95% of gallbladder polyps are benign. The size of the gallbladder polyps can help predict whether it is cancerous or non-cancerous. Surgery is necessary if polyps cause symptoms are larger than 1 inch 1 centimeter. Surgery is recommended when a polyp has a growth by 2 millimeter or more since the last checkup. The treatment involves surgical removal of the gallbladder. Now, incidentally, this patient also had the ureteric stone. You will see a stone in the ureter. This is the left kidney. Gallbladder polyps are elevated lesions on the mucosal surface of the gallbladder. The majority are benign, but malignant forms may also be seen. You can see the moderate hydronephrosis with the hydroureter. Gallbladder polyps are common, seen in up to 9% of the population. Over 90% are these polyps are benign, but the majority of these is cholesterol polyps. Cholesterol polyps are most frequently identified in patients between 40 to 50 years of age and are more frequently seen in females. Benign polyps are about 95 to 95% of all the polyps. Cholesterol polyps are more than 50% of all polyps. Then adenomas are 30%, possibly premalignant. Inflammatory polyps are 10%. Other rare entities are seen, benign tumors and tumor-like lesions of the gallbladder. Now you can see a large stone in the proximal portion of the ureter. This is the stone. This is stone, a large stone. And now you will see the measurement of this stone, and this stone measures about 19.3 centimeter, 19.5 millimeter. So 19.5 millimeter stone is quite a large stone. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you do like this video. Please click the like button. Thanks.